just been admitted, has been given membership of the Federation of Universities of the Islamic World. Our aim in Aligarh Muslim University is to give the best education, to give the best medical treatment to people of Western UP who are dependent on us. This means both allopathic and Unani medicine. And I can tell you that having been the beneficiary of Unani medicine in my childhood and subsequently, I have full faith and dependence on this method of medicine, and we will leave no stone unturned to give it its due prominence, its due priority, and due importance. At the end, let me tell you, Aligarh Muslim University wants to raise and educate thousands of Ibn Sinas for the Islamic world and India. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. May I request Joint Secretary of this conference, Dr. Sayyid Ziaur Rahman, to present vote of thanks. Thank you, Shirani Bhai. Honorable Ms. Sadia Rashid, respected Vice Chancellor, Lieutenant General Zamiruddin Shah. Although Hakim Prannan Sahib is not here, he is on way, he is coming from Mathura, but he was also a guest of honor and he is the Vice Chancellor of Hamdard University. Our most valued invited guest, ladies and gentlemen. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. First of all, we thank the Almighty God who has given us an opportunity to organize an international seminar on a befitting personality like Ibn Sina, on the occasion of his 1000th anniversary of the compilation of his book Kitab al-Qanun fi Tibb. It's a tribute from all of us to this great man. Now, on behalf of the Ibn Sina Academy, I would particularly like to thank all the persons who are involved in any capacity in organizing this international seminar. Individually, we are thankful to Mrs. Sadia Rashid, who came from our neighboring country, Pakistan, and graced the function as chief guest. Ma'am, your presence is exceptionally felt by all of us. Thank you. At the same time, we are grateful to Professor K. Hanan Sahab for mobilizing the members of International Association for Unani Medicine to organize the second meeting in India and grace the function as a guest of honor. We are extremely thankful to our Vice Chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University, Lieutenant General Zamiruddin Shah, who, in spite of his busy schedule, presided over the function. It is true that this program could not be materialized if we did not have the support of Aligarh Muslim University administration. The whole team, under the dynamic leadership of the Vice Chancellor, wholeheartedly supported this program. Thank you, sir. Many thanks are also due to the Director CCREM, Professor S. Shakir Jameel Naqvi Sahab, Dr. Ahmed Mahmood Al Hussain from Jordan, Justice Salahuddin Siddiqui from Nepal, Dr. Mirza Hassan Beg from Scotland, and other distinguished delegates from abroad and different cities of India. I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all our guest speakers for gracing your important work and sharing with us your findings and opinions on Ibn Sina. I also wish to express my gratitude to the staff of Academic Staff College, Ajmal Khan Tibbiya College and Aligarh College of Ayurvedic and Unani for providing encouragement and sending students to participate and attend the seminar. We are indebted to all the supporting government agencies, especially Department of Ayush, CCREM, Indian Council of Historical Research. A special mention is needed to thank Dr. Madhur Rahman Khan Shirwani and Professor Zakia Siddiqui for sponsoring all lunches and dinners. I would fail my duty if I do not thank our different committee members, volunteers, family members, and sponsors, especially Dr. Ahmed Ashraf Memorial Hospital, Hyderabad, Rex Remedies, and Dawakhana Tibbiya College, Aligarh Muslim University. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to Professor S.M. Razaullah Ansari, the organizing secretary of this seminar, and Dr. F.S.
Attention please.
अरे रहमान साहब,
अरे भाई इमरान साहब, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। खलील खलील